Have you heard YouTubers claiming you can make thousands of dollars just by posting cute animal videos or reposting content from other platforms? Some even tell you to use Chinese apps like Douyin or Xiaohongshu to grab content, upload it to YouTube and watch the money roll in. Let's hear what they are saying.
TikTok is not banned in China. They actually use a different platform for China, which is Douyin.
Popular Chinese apps like Douyin, which is the Chinese version of TikTok Kuishu and Xiaohongshu that have lots of animal videos.
Especially when these claims are coming from people with hundreds of thousands, if not millions of subscribers. Anyone with that kind of influence shouldn't be spreading misinformation just to rack up views and add revenue. The damage they cause is huge. New creators are falling into this trap, wasting time and energy while these gurus get rich. As a content creator, I believe I have the right to speak out because 2 years ago I followed these exact advice. I created 2 channels with funny animal videos and another one reposting content from Douyin. For 3 months, I uploaded consistently and got decent engagement. But when it came time to monetize, guess what? All 3 channels were denied. And I'm not alone. Many others who tried the same thing had their channels rejected or even banned from YouTube. The worst part, when these people are asked why their advice didn't work, they go silent. If what they claim is so effective, why can't they back it up? The truth is they probably haven't even tried it themselves. Instead, they are focused on generating views, ad revenue, and selling AI tools or services through affiliate links. It's tempting to take shortcut, but the frustration just isn't worth it. Here's the hard truth. This method doesn't work. It's against YouTube policies. These so-called gurus are telling people to steal content, mislead viewers, and promote copyright infringement. So today we are busting this myth once and for all. If you're still skeptical, go ahead, try the shortcut, just see what happens. YouTube's monetization policy is very clear. Re-uploading content without adding significant original commentary, education, or value will get your channel rejected. Some tutorials even suggest you can use sites like InVideo to instantly generate animal videos by typing a simple prompt and boom, you're a viral sensation. It's nonsense. Sure, AI tools can assist in production, but they won't magically generate engaging or original content that stands out.
AI to create a 3-minute cute, fun YouTube video on 10 facts about dogs. So crazy that the AI made this fast.
Most AI-generated videos are generic and lack the creativity needed to grab viewers' attention, which brings us to the key point: quality matters. If you still believe what these YouTube gurus are claiming, let's take a look at the channel Fanny Chihuahua TV, which posts funny animal videos. It's clear they are using someone else's content hoping to sneak into the YouTube partner program. They have even added a disclaimer in their profile or video description, but guess what? That won't save them. Based on their massive views and 60,000 subscribers, they have likely hit the monetization threshold. But if Social Blade's earning estimate of 26,000's annual income is true, why have they stopped posting? So it's likely the channel wasn't approved for monetization despite their popularity. If you're considering starting a similar channel, ask yourself, do you want to pour time and effort into something that might never get monetized, leaving you stuck after uploading 50 or more videos? So, what does work? The key is originality and added value. If you are passionate about animals, for example, you can create content that's educational, fun, or even heartwarming, but make it unique. Let me give you a few examples. You can tell a story by sharing facts or insights about specific breeds or animal behaviors. For example,
wonderful companions. They are loyal, intelligent, and are very affectionate by nature. For these reasons and many more, their popularity.
This video uses footage from the internet, but adds educational commentary, making the content original and eligible for monetization because it offers real value. Another approach is adding commentary. If you're into animal animations, make them fun and engaging with your own voiceovers. Take inspiration from channels like Funny Animals TV, which creates hilarious animated stories like crazy animals using iPhone 16 to order pizza. Well, I find it pretty funny and creative, and within just a month, their creativity has led to a massive number of views. You can also incorporate humor or reactions, add your own unique twist to reaction videos. Comment on funny animal clips with your personality. It's your originality that will stand out, just like what this channel did. By focusing on originality and value, you are not only following YouTube's rules, but also building a loyal audience that appreciates authentic content. Copy-pasting videos won't get you far and could even lead to your channel being taken down. At the end of the day, if it sounds too easy, it probably is. Success on YouTube requires effort, creativity, and a commitment to building something real. Don't fall for shortcuts, especially when it risks months or even years of hard work being denied monetization. If you are balancing a busy schedule but still want to succeed on YouTube, relying on copy-pasting content isn't the solution. Instead, consider outsourcing tasks like editing and thumbnail design to freelancers on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. This way, you can focus on creating original content while ensuring it meets YouTube guidelines, so no excuse for that. I only share practical proven strategies on this channel. If you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe and stay updated for more tips and insights.